This is a recording of the forward function of the Zumo, modified with the stop and evade method of avoiding the duck obstacle. Unlike before where the robot just stopped and then resumed, now the robot is going to stop when it sees the obstacle, perform the evasive maneuver that was completed in the previous lab, and then continue the rest of the way to complete the forward that was initially started. So what will happen is the robot starts at the origin, it's going to go forward 10 inches, but it encounters the obstacle. So it stops to avoid the problem, then it performs the evasive maneuver, and then after evading the obstacle, it completes the forward, going the remaining distance to reach the 10 inches initially commanded. So one more time, the robot starts at 0, it moves forward about an inch and something, then the robot stops because it sees the obstacle, it performs the evasive maneuver, which when we get done with the maneuver, we can see the robot has actually moved forward about another 7 inches in this case, but this will be different according to whatever evasive maneuver you've decided to do, and then it will complete the remaining 10 inches. So this is a little bit more complicated and what I'd like to see a demonstration of next week.